niliklar at BP, pinya birta ang tonpen arjuik tham.
All Party Health Leaders Conference Racharya Sondrum Kidamtang Assam Legislative Assembly election Kachapatiyahud Assam Angkang Kido on Opposition Party Chungrumsi BJP Apan Paranang Pukwajo Si Pajur Podun Lasikar Biangno Kami Congress Song Pen Pajur Posi Kachapatiyadin Ka Chuthakon Sitami Kido on Opposition Party Chungrumsi Tami BJP Apan Paranang Dette YP Sitami PHL System Pen of Teacher Rudri Lasi non-KSL on MS election Ahud ke National Party Pen ke Pajur Podun PHL System Kasi Chapatidin Dette Sikiranki Amay Long Pen Pangda
Election Ahud nilitum pan ratong nitum hanang perem lo ne mate BJP ba ko manne RSS atum tong voting machine bang tempering dat lo ne mane ko tempering polote pahe no dat lo ne pilone nitum pu pedet po non pu tekte dat lo Chini dat po non naman ke bang mo phi ke klang yi ke ma lai hui kita non neli phan ninje tu po neli party atum ajaha tu nang pu olo ki pu nang ninje tu po na pu ye ninje serrak non na pen ninje tu po na pu abang ke election ke rem ke la Congress tu men kacelang apot ba akapre ka party tu men kacelang o Congress chot kalilo la opposition party tu apan kacelang pen apot lo si nilipanang pulo la si opposition party tu pen APHLC tu la non ke bangji MSC election bang ke celang lik pu nilitum apan pu non pulo la si nilita Ahok alam ke aprang benta la jirpo ka chipi ke la MLA election na phanana aprang benta la so jirpo ka chipi ke doverji pule tungi puta kali la sinon nili ki pu kangtung ke lalo non MSC election ning cikloner cap baksi dolo la so MSC election na long bangke ni tu APHLC debt si claim po la pen pini pen ke APHLC debt si nilitum la rat debt ke Georgia pan long le hey ke Georgia pan ke do ana kamta APHLC atum debt si nilitum claim po anut ka prek National Party atum pen ke nilitum celang le debt po
Lapun non Assam Legislative Assembly MLA election along APHLC pan ke khoyarat ke doan vote nang ki pi anapan APHLC mai pujurun sikti ka tharpen perang ke amay no ninji pon
election kopia potong nilitum hana perem lo ne mat atum lo ne labang pudam de si la rat atum APHLC pan aning ke dokra nang ke rap dun ra vote ta nang pidun atum an hala a vote pidet amat bang phalang hudak ta dulo hedi hala tum phan an sita la nang pi an atum han ke nilitum APHLC pen nilitum nang litum pan ning aklong pen churul
News Desk report KATV News Ajak tingklu pen rada tu maning ki hang pen West Carbiang long tanker along so along kido LTM English School along class 11 na pen class 12 pedo po 9G pu pen kidam tang surihini ro inkoira Clinical Higher Secondary School in Pupon Nosi pining surihini ro inkoira truck aningkan bangke bang nangkip students atum HS Asana Art Stream 10 pido nong bang so HS sot lang ki undun edajo lo than da tum tami ning arong par pixi aru chaklo ni phai trok siar ni LTM Senior Secondary School atum pen kadu ka be bang ner kep students atum phan tami kar choda ne tempan bang so jai mek ada por phai kris si pen lun ki lun pen si pangcheng pondo la so pi LTM SSS headmistress ludun luteron pi pen pater pi ponsi kadoka wi lo ke charli kim somar apu apai lapen lo thanda tum pen arnamar dom ajai mek edo ponthi adun to Miss Jaunita Malang pen welcome speech lapen mayanam the than ponsi ali sarpo tum phan karcho edo ponthi Last year, Pika Dukawe Bangner Cape, HS Sotlanki Unduna Tumapan, no a Pipa Jirtensi, Karcho Jaime, Deng Pondo.
And I could see especially the girls who are staying in hostels, I really miss them. And I want the junior to follow their footsteps, to be humble and to be obedient. I hope you all will follow their footsteps. So we just wanted to honor you along with your parents.
Lapen pining surhini ro in koira trokanikan LTM Senior Secondary School pen kicheng sia parman HS ki pass LTM pen first rank holder 92% chapalong pona bangpi neng nechin kholho hin pen tami LTM SSS along lo thandang lapen apu apai tumapan kachu rolam the pajir pondo lapen non owe mi kiwang atuma phantami ki charli akhin ki baprang dun nanjelam the thandika
12, but I feel like the challenges, I don't want to speak about the challenges now. In the upcoming days, when I achieve something big, that time I will share my challenges as well.
What message do you want to deliver to your junior?
Well, what I want to deliver to my junior is that, as I have already told in the program, that keep trying, face your challenges, and that is your success. That's what I want to tell.
What is your future?
I do aim for civil services exam, and I'll try my best for it.
Lapen ki jut sialwi sarpo Ajay Kumar Boro Rod Cyclem Bangpu Longbir Teron LTM SSS Administrator Martin Teron atum pen tami Jumisen Lamthe Thandikan Kumadni Jong si pining surihini rain ko trok parman LTM Senior Secondary School along class 11 admission Endon pen ke Charlie Dunji aning ke hatum do pulutangte laso cheklo ijon admission apor pipon lang pota phirang kia thengno nang than pachini dunthi Bangso Megalong Ali Sarpoman Pen, Abarim Borthol High School Headmaster Ajay Kumar Boro, Rod Cyclemang Pulong Bir Teron, LTM SSS Administrator Martin Teron, Headmistress Ludundu Teron P, Maihon Teron, Mohen Ronghang, Lothan Bang Kedoan, students Apo Pilapen, Non Kichali Bomb, students Atum Chetongi.
Higher secondary class 12 arts ke first batch lo, lapen first batch ang bong. Lake 100% result lo lapen ang buong bangke inura bangke 92 point something
Port Hall Pen Priyanka Balmiki KATV News
Pinya Birta ki lan sikang ton lo domi thak mi kardom